Well, I saw those scenes yesterday of Keir Starmer and David Lammy, and I think, first of all, what happened to them was completely unacceptable, disgraceful, really, in every way. And no politician in our country, doesn't matter who they are, should have to put up with anything like that. And I do think, though, when you look at what happened itself, the people that are to blame are the protesters themselves. Well, I think I've answered your question. Thank you very much. Thank you.
The PM's had a mini reshuffle today. What do you think of his decision to put Mark Spencer into a role where he's effectively the custodian of the complaints procedure for Parliament, but he himself is also currently under investigation for allegedly telling a colleague of yours that her Muslimness was making people uncomfortable?
I think, well, first of all, the investigation referred to is being carried out independently by the Cabinet Office, and of course anyone being investigated would have nothing whatsoever to do with the actual investigatory process itself. It's right that there is this investigation, and these were serious allegations. It's also fair to put on the record that Mark has, who's a friend and colleague, as well as Nusrat Ghani, who made the allegations, they're both friends and colleagues, that Mark has said that he doesn't recognise any of those words that have been attributed to him. But he's a friend, colleague, and I think he will do a very good job in the new position that he's been given.
Do you think it's a good look that there's still a minister now in charge, in general, of the complaints procedure, whilst himself under investigation?
Well, he's not, as I say, in terms of the complaint that you're referring to, that is being led independently by the Cabinet Office, and ministers would have no involvement in that procedure, and it wouldn't be right if they did.
Do you worry, do you think that the Prime Minister at least takes these accusations of Islamophobia seriously enough?
I think the Prime Minister has taken them very seriously, and that is exactly why he has asked for an independent investigation by the Cabinet Office.